This meeting is being recorded.
Okay, I record, I think.
Yes, it has started.
Yes. Did it start?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
From what I
Teach-
can see, it has started.
okay. Teacher desk distribution, I think is okay. Gonca, Virginia, Kiriaki, Virginia, second times. It doesn't matter. Selda is ill. I hope he will join. She will join. Sorry, she came. And Laura, Merlin is in Istanbul traffic. İnanç and Maria. I think everyone wrote task distribution. Safety works, safer internet day. It's very important for label, quality label. We will do something uh, actually for quality label. Firstly, national quality label and then European quality label. And this is very important. Safety, safer internet day. These questions will be written in quality label. So we will use this safety works, and we have to work with it, with these works. We will write a poem here. Uh, this is in February. Sorry, in February, people team list Safer Internet Day, Common Pupils poem, and we will put on here, and at the same time, save it works. I will put it in both saved works and in February works. It doesn't matter, but we will write a poem step by step. Parent permission, project video are ready. Project partners contact information are ready. Introduction and novel, I think they are ready. Online meeting, yes, I will upload this video in online meeting. Firstly on YouTube, and then I will upload online meeting. STI introduction, picture map, teacher introduction, Linoid are ready. We did them. Is there any question?
Not so far from
Okay.
finding.
And uh, yes, Laura, how are you? How are you? And Maria, how are you? Selda,
I am
now.
fine, thanks. Fine, thanks.
Okay. And December. New Year, yes, we did New Year cards. My students were very happy when they saw the cards, their own cards. And word cloud is ready. Okay. Student team list, January. Uh, the questions are about, I think, January and February, even March. Uh, it doesn't matter. We will upload the beginning of the page. We will upload something at the beginning of the page, but mostly we will add our works, for example, on presentation. Yes, you will upload the works there. Your
I'll do it
student.
the next days.
Sorry.
I'll do it the next days.
Yes. Okay.
It's already.
It doesn't matter. And Wakelet. It's problem. It became problem, but we did it at the end. Yes, we We'll see. Wakelet. Do you see?
Yes.
It's me and sorry. This is Kiryaki.
This is mine, yes.
I can
Okay.
see February going.
You must write your name and
I've written something, but it must be at the end, after the picture. Should I
okay.
put it at the beginning?
Okay.
Does
Okay.
it matter that it's there?
Okay.
Oh, okay.
And I think Laura, yes, Laura's work. September, who's Marilyn? Marilyn did. October, November, and December isn't any volunteer, hasn't any volunteer. I can do them, but if you want October, November, and December, you can choose one of them, whatever
What
you
could
want.
we upload there?
Sorry.
What more could we upload there?
Yes, yes.
Because I have already uploaded my presentation. What else could I upload there? I can take 1 month, but I don't know what to put there.
Is there any other works about nature, environment, or another works I can
We,
upload, for
I
example?
could ask my students to create a poster, perhaps.
Okay,
Could we do that?
yes,
Okay, then I can take one of these months. Just tell
okay,
me which one, and I'll ask my students to create a poster, and we can upload it there.
okay. Which one?
Which one?
Yes,
February? No, okay, yes, February then.
okay.
Gonza,
No, no,
February.
February. Who's
I think
what?
someone else has February.
October,
No?
November, and December are absent.
Okay, I take November then.
Okay, okay. For
Okay.
example, in January, I uploaded a video and some students' photos. For example, there are a lot of photos about nature and climate change, lack of water, etc., etc. I will upload October. November is your. I
Mm-hmm.
can upload something October, and
Mm-hmm.
if one of us can upload in December. It doesn't matter. Wakelet, you can you use Wakelet? It there is not any
Uh,
problem.
yes,
No,
but
it's easy.
one question. I uploaded all February, a lot of works, and now I can't see any of them.
Why?
What could what could have happened?
Mm,
When
you
you upload it, you need to.
you sent some photos. Yes, you uploaded, but I couldn't see them.
But I don't know why. There were a lot of like
Can
I
you
asked.
see? Can you see on Wakelet?
Later on, I will search for my Wakelet so I can check if I can see my works uploaded so that I can compare and see what must have happened. But
Mhm.
I don't know.
I
It
don't
doesn't
know.
matter. I will upload them
Okay,
again.
I see your photo, but I couldn't see on Wakelet. You see again, you look again. I think there's a
Mhm.
problem, or I cannot see maybe. Is there any question
I
on?
I will check it later.
Okay,
Don't worry.
you can try again.
Mhm.
Okay, nature and climate change works. Uh, since you see an example or examples, I upload some YouTube videos. These videos are my students' presentation videos. Yes, I upload firstly YouTube and then I upload here YouTube's link, and these are examples. You must upload your works. That means we can upload uh, all works twice or three times in different parts because their meaning are the same and their goals are the same. But you can use another Web2 tools. Teachers and pupils evaluation are Merlin's task. I hope she will prepare some Google form, one Google form, and share with us a link, and we will fill the form. What do you think the project, or what will we do another? What are your ideas? Are you happy? Blah blah. Evaluations are very important for again quality labels, and the most important thing for quality label collaborative and common works. Absolutely, we will work with together. For example, there is a work. A work must be part and part. Kriaki must do, Sofia must do, and Virginia and Gonja. All of us can join this common work. This is very important. There are a lot of questions for in label quality label. Most of the questions are about collaborative common works. Another, yes, poem for these common works. I shared a Canva Web2 tools. Uh, did you enter in it?
I
I
didn't
tried.
have the time, not yet.
I tried on my phone, but not on the computer. But I couldn't write anything on the phone. I will try on the computer later.
Okay. If there's a problem, we will try again. It doesn't matter. And environment works in February. Environment works for environment works. We will work different works, different studies. For example, it can be trash. We will help something for environment. We will work for sustainability or biodiversity, or we will do some recycling works, maybe, or in our school, one teacher or one student or students did these works. We can use them. We can use their photos. If we couldn't do this work, we can use from school's photos. But environment works are large idea. Maybe trash, maybe vesting our sources, our energy sources, or recycling, etc., etc. Environment works. How can we do? For example, we will add our works by photo, and I will, or one of us can make a video. It's very important, but it's very easy. If you add two or three or four photos it is enough, maybe. It's enough. And then we will make a video, all of them. And March is coming. Art Gallery New Year card. New Year card, our students sent some cards, some New Year cards, and they were very happy. Last year, and sorry, I will see you. I will show you, sorry. I did art gallery. Did you do it? Did you try before? Art gallery, did you use?
No,
Okay,
never.
I will find, sorry.
Okay. I used Padlet, uh,
Yeah,
like art gallery, but not art gallery.
okay.
I
I
don't
will
know.
show last project for my last project. Okay, sorry. Sorry. I will find. Yes, we can use word wall, especially, okay, I find, especially for students, online meeting. Yes, you see, uh, this is last art gallery. I hope it's opened. Uh, Word wall, until it is opened, I will talked about WordWall. WordWall is very useful and enjoyable, especially on students' online meeting. I will prepare some questions about our project, about the students, about the school, and about their ages and nature, climate change, etc., etc. I will prepare questions about our project, and they choose a number, and the question, they see a question when they choose a number, and one of them, for example, in Greece, in Italy, or in Turkey, they will answer it. The students like this. Okay, you see. Okay, this is art gallery. It's not difficult, but not easy. It wants time. Yes, these are last year's New Year cards, and these are showed displayed
Okay,
here.
it's nice, nice. And maybe all the students can join the art gallery together
Yes, maybe.
when we
Uh-huh.
meet.
I
Ah,
try to add everyone, all of them,
ah,
because they see, they investigate in it, and they look, where am I? Where is my New Year card? They try to find it. So I prepare for all of them. If you want, they make this gallery. Okay, that's it. Ay. Okay, I return, sorry. Okay. Yes, twin space. Return to our twin space. Art gallery, I can prepare art gallery. It doesn't matter. And April, we will online teacher meeting again in April, and we will discuss what did we do and what happened, what did we learn, what did our students learn, etc. And May is evaluation month. But if you have any ideas, if there is any choose to add, you can say, you can tell me, and we can add. Even you can add if you want some title. You can add here.
April.
Another idea, another part. I don't remember any other part. I think there is not problem, any problem in twin space. Yes, there are some problems about wakelet, word wall. Yes, I want to show word wall. Sorry. Yes, I want to look word wall. Okay. This word wall is eTwinning People's online meeting. There are some questions. For example, the student choose number one, and here, what social media do you use and what for? Or he or she chooses, how do you spend free time? We ask her or him, how do you spend? Last year we did the People's online meeting with the classes, and at school's time. Uh, what do you think about people's online meeting?
Yes, I'm willing to have an online meeting, and my students also are willing meeting, but I don't know the way. In Twitter space, or they need to enter Twin
Zoom
space
meeting.
with in the meeting with their code and password
At
in
school
Twin
time,
space?
no, not into in space. Actually, we can
Um,
into a space, but in ASAP there are some problems. We couldn't do
in,
online meeting in the twin space. We did them always in Zoom meeting.
okay,
Yes, with students we will do Zoom meeting
Zoom
at
meeting.
school time, all the classes.
Okay, that's good. Yes.
I hope we can organize for the time.
Mhm.
Uh,
In April,
sorry.
in April.
And when do you want to meet all together? When do you think it is possible?
Uh,
Everyone.
sorry, voice is bad.
When will we have the pupils meeting? They ask.
Okay, okay, I understood. Whatever you want, whenever you want. Sorry. I
I
think
think
next week
I think
maybe.
it would be better if we did it in April, in March, because in April we have a 2 weeks break in Greece.
Yes, and also in Spain.
It's Easter time, so it will be more difficult then.
And do you think next week will be possible, or do you think it is not?
Mm,
I don't know.
I don't
Uh,
know. I don't know if it will be easy next week, but the first week of March and through March, I think it would be
March.
easier to organize it.
Okay, okay.
and what time what time fit is good for you? Suits you better? Yeah, early in the morning
Ah, okay.
or
Yes, it's more enjoyable in the morning, maybe.
It's easier for all the kids to join in
yes,
the mornings
because
because in
in
the
the
afternoons they
afternoon,
have after school activities and it's hard for
Okay,
them
yes,
okay.
to find time.
Morning.
So I think it might be easier to do it
Easier.
mhm.
Yes, true.
during school hours.
Yes, my
Ne-
students are also not at school in the afternoon.
Mhm.
Morning will be suitable for us too.
Okay. Next week in the morning, which day?
I don't know about next week because next week uh, we have we are going on a daily excursion one of the days, and the other day there is a strike, and most of the teachers will be on strike. So I don't know if it's possible for us. I think it's better if we do it the first week of March,
The first
perhaps.
week of March.
Okay. First week of March in the morning. Day is not certain. Okay.
We can discuss about it. I mean, what do the others think?
I would like the first week of March. It's no problem, but I'm not sure about the days. I have with my pupils, with my students, I have lessons um, w- on Fridays and
Maybe.
Wednesdays.
I can I try to organize. It is difficult for me
It is
because
difficult. Yes.
yes, because my students my lessons are in the afternoon.
Oh,
After 2 o'clock, but I want to try and I try to do it uh, whenever you want. I try to do it because we cannot organize. It's very difficult in Spain, in Italy, in Greece, in Turkey.
different time.
The time
Different
is
time.
very different. There are
Yes,
two
we can
hours.
think about it. So I don't know to choose one
Okay,
time.
let's think,
Let's think
and we will write on WhatsApp group.
on WhatsApp. Hmm.
First week of the March,
Hmm.
but we cannot organize the day now. Think and we will speak. We will talk about this. I hope we will find a day.
We'll try,
Yes,
yes.
we will find a day. Okay.
If we know beforehand, it's easier to organize it. I mean, to ask for permission to, even if we don't have a lesson, we can ask for permission to take
Change.
the students
Yes,
uh,
Mm-hmm,
we
if
can
we know
if
the
we know.
date and the
Hmm.
time.
mm-hmm,
Yes, I think so because we need to change probably some lessons
mm-hmm,
with another colleague.
me too.
Hmm.
So
Yes, this is very difficult. We will find both our lessons and our students, and at the same time, it's very difficult. So,
yes, hmm.
yes, so we will try.
Yes,
Yes.
I will ask my colleague my English teacher colleague
Okay.
if he doesn't mind to
Yes,
give me
yes.
one lesson
Okay.
or other teachers. So I can write WhatsApp a lot of hours, a lot of possible time. So we can.
If the meeting finishes, I will start again. It doesn't matter. I will start again. We have 3 minutes.
Okay. Another question I would like to ask is, how long do you think this meeting is going to take?
40 minutes or
Okay.
30 minutes. It's
Okay.
suitable. Okay, 30, 40, but students like the most and they want continuously, but I hope I organize some, I organize a time. We will do it. Actually, I want to do this meeting every month. I hope we will do them every month. For example, March, first week of March, second week of April, maybe, because I will come to Italy in the first of April for Erasmus project. I'm not here. Second week of April, we will organize now or on WhatsApp group. At least we will now the dates, not days, but we will now our dates. What do you think? I wonder about
About the second,
the project.
Okay. Speak.
Yes, what do you think about project, about our group? I wonder about your ideas. I think there are some people on WhatsApp group, but I don't know who they are. I wonder about them. What do you think, firstly?
so for
Yes,
me,
please.
it seemed very interesting because I have never made a project like this. But I was a bit scared because too many people, too many teachers, and difficult to organize. But you are so good at this, so I am happy to follow instructions and try to fulfill the dates. Sometimes it is difficult, but you all are very helpful, so I think it's good. But I find necessary to make or to do the students meeting. The students meeting, the people's meetings, so that they know each other. And what about this meeting? Everybody talk the same